If your click-through rate is under 5%, your thumbnails aren't the problem. Your system is. Most creators are just guessing, dragging text around, hoping it looks good. I stopped doing that and built a simple AI system. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create high-converting thumbnails, step by step. We're going to break this into 3 levels, starting simple, then scaling to the exact system I use. Let's start with level 1. Level 1, clarity. It's not enough for your thumbnail to look good. People click when they instantly understand it. Even a second of confusion, and you've already lost the click. So let me show you how to fix that. We're going to be using Flow because it allows us to use Nano Banana Pro. So this is exactly what I did in level 1. I came into Flow, uploaded my AI avatar as a reference, and then wrote my prompt. Now, my prompt was long, but that's intentional. For thumbnails, you don't want to be vague. I included the visual hierarchy, where I want my subject, where I want the text, and how I want everything laid out. While that's generating, let me quickly show you the settings down here. Make sure your aspect ratio is set to 16:9 and your quality is high, so you get that clean thumbnail output. And just like that, you can see it's already generating using my AI influencer, following the exact structure I gave it. That's literally the foundation. From here, we just refine or leave it as it is. Level 2 is modeling a competitor thumbnail. So what I'm gonna do is take a thumbnail that's already performing well and drop it in here as a reference. Then I'm gonna adjust my prompt to match my topic, my text, and my avatar. So instead of starting from scratch, I'm building on something that's already proven to get clicks. Let's generate this. And you can see what it's doing. Same layout, same visual balance, same energy, but completely original and tailored to my video. This is how you stop guessing and start designing with intention. What if you could describe your exact thumbnail layout to AI? Have it sketch the idea for you, and then use that sketch as the blueprint for your final thumbnail? That's exactly what we're doing in level 3. Now, this is where it gets interesting. Level 3 is for when you already know exactly what you want your thumbnail to look like, but you can't design it. That was me. Most people either settle for whatever the AI gives them, or they spend hours in Canva trying to rebuild an idea they already had in their head. Both waste time. There's a better way. Step 1. Engineer the layout, not the final image. Open your AI tool and describe the structure of the thumbnail. Where is the face? Where is the text? What's in the background? You're not creating the thumbnail yet. You're building the blueprint. And this part is important. We're not asking AI to be creative. We're forcing it to follow a structure. Once the sketch is generated, even if it looks rough, that's perfect. Because now, that sketch becomes your reference image. Step 2. Upload the sketch into your image generator and prompt it to render the final thumbnail on top of it. Now the AI isn't guessing anymore. It's locked to your layout, your composition, your vision. Now it just makes it look professional. Look at the result. The text placement, the subject position, the overall structure. It follows the sketch almost exactly. This is the difference between a generic thumbnail and one that feels intentionally designed. And the best part? You don't need to know how to draw. You just need a system.